So, hi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go. I will show you again for the share my screen. Okay, so now can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose you can see this is the web application interface. So, first of all, you can simply select your time period. Okay, and this web application is automatically updating when you can see it show update last image for the 12th April. Okay, so it automatically updating and new image when come it automatically added in this web application and work with that. So in this time I simply start the time period, suppose year of 2024 January, suppose from 1st January. Okay, and last time period this I use this the last time period 12th April. I simply draw my study area, suppose it's my study area, this is my lake of study area, simply draw this study area. And further which I want to calculate, I want to calculate suppose turbidity and then submit. So now it provide me the result. What is the condition for this water body for the turbidity in FNU unit? Okay, it loaded. In this time here you can see it show this type of result because for this time here you can see for this time period I got only for the two images. Okay, and which image I can get the one image for that March 25 and get the another image for March 30. Okay, so that's why it just cover only for this area. But when I increase my time period, suppose I want to choose the year of 2023, suppose January, I take the suppose 1 year from 2023 to suppose this last time period, and now try to submit again. So in this time it take all of images between this time period from year of 2023 1st January from 2024 12th April. So now you can see it clearly fill up our whole study area and we can get this type of time series chart for this and we can get this type of lesion here you can see. Okay, so this turbidity is also high, we can easily find out from here. Okay, and also you can see for this for the previous time which I select I can get this type of things. We can get it all normal, you can see this type of identity about the normal, but some place it show about the high turbidity. But for this time period from year of 2023 1st January from 2024 April 12th April we can get the whole situation for this water body. Not only for that, suppose I simply select the another one, suppose chlorophyll, and submit that. So now we can easily get what the condition about that water body. For the chlorophyll index, we can easily get it. And it will show about the time series chart and also generate about this map for the chlorophyll. Okay, so you can see we can get this type of result. We can get the chlorophyll for this water body area. And this is the lesson about that. From the lesson, we can easily identify where the situation high, low, moderate, medium, we can easily get from here. And also get the time series chart about that. Okay, as well as suppose I want to choose about that total suspended solid, TSS. What is the condition about the total suspended solid? Milligram per liter. Okay, per liter, how much milligram TSS we can get? We can easily get this type of things here. You can see. So basically, you can check about the lesion. So this type of area, red color, this type of red color identify about that 2000 milligram per liter TSS on this water body. Okay, you can see. And it show about the animation. Basically, it's one kind of changing animation for per image, per satellite images. We can also get add this animation. And we also get this type of time series chart about that. In this time, you can simply click on here and you can easily download this type of time series chart as a CSV file format. And also download the PNG file format. Okay, as well as you can also save the GIF imagery. So here you can see you can easily save this image as a GIF image. And for this map, in this time you need to take the screenshot. Suppose you take the screenshot and then you can represent it as a your map. Okay, and we can easily do it for any water body. Okay, suppose we can easily do it for any water body and we can easily get for any result. Suppose I clear this map Suppose any other study area, suppose you can simply check the other study area. Suppose for any time period, we can easily choose. Basically, in this time, we are using the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, so that's why we can observe the water body condition from year of 2015. Okay, and then we can easily get this result. Suppose here you can see this is the one kind of another water body. Suppose I want to choose what is the condition for the water body for this year. So for that, you can simply draw this RY. Simply draw this RY. And then submit here. Suppose TS I can check. Simply click on the submit. So now I can got this result. What is the condition of the total suspended solid for this water body between this time period? We can easily get it from here. Okay. So in this time you can see this water body is not mass the total suspended solid. Okay. So it's about the normal about this type of things. No, the region color. So basically this is the process for this water body, and we also get about this time series chart about that total suspended solid water body. We can easily get it from here. Okay. In this time, do you have any question? You can ask me any question.
Sir, like I referred to the video of yours on YouTube. How can I access this web application of yours? Because I'm halfway. In the video you showed me showed how to just add the panel in that, and until run it was there.
Okay, so basically in this time, the source code we are also not providing for the copyright issue.
Yes,
in this
yes.
time, we are just providing the web application. Suppose here you can see this is the web application.
Yes,
you can easily use this web application, and then you can easily generate this type of TSS, total suspended solid, or turbidity, and also make the time series chart about that. Okay, for any study
yes, sir,
area.
like how can I access this web application? Like what to log in or
Okay,
whatever.
so for that,
I'm really new to this
for that
Google
you
Earth.
have to make the subscription about this web application, and then you can easily get it. For that, we are also providing for the 1 year.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and you can see it's work for the any water body. But this problem is that from this web application you cannot check the accuracy. Okay, suppose in this time here you can see I can get this type of map, but I don't know what's the accuracy about this map. So for
Yes.
calculating the accuracy, you need the in situ data. So for that you need to go to the laboratory test. You need to take the sample of water, and then you need to use this type of things. Suppose you can take the some coordinate or GPS location and take the water sample, and further you have to use this type of water sample, and then you need to check the validation or accuracy. But in this time, this web application is also work, and we already check other things. It also 80% correctly work for that, almost all of water bodies. Okay, so it's the visualization about that, also make the time series chart, and also show the animation about that, and also listen, and you can easily get the subscription for 1 year, and you can easily use this web application. Okay, and you can easily extract the data. Okay, you can get the time series data, you can get the animation about this, and also get the map about this, generating this map of this turbidity, chlorophyll, or total suspended solid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so further if you want to introduce that, then you can easily get this subscription. Then you can easily go to this link, and you can easily access the web application. Okay, in this time if I will send you this link, you cannot access because your subscription is not approved yet. When I approve it, then you can easily access it, this web application. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you think about that, and further if you want to interact, then knock me, then I will send you all of details for that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye.